guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today I'm back with another GelX tutorial, and today I'm going to be doing some 3D Christmas nail design. I did this design using sculpting gel, which is so easy to do. So I will be breaking down every step for you guys. All the products that I use in this video will be linked down below. So if you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below. So without a further ado, let's get into the tutorial for these nails. For this design, I wanted to have 3D Christmas vibes on my nails. So for the smallest finger, I decided to make a classic Christmas stocking. And the sculpting gel that I'm using is really nice. All I did was I took sufficient amount of gel and rolled it using my hands. Now people go around saying that we should not touch gel with our hands because we can get contact dermatitis, which is true, which is very true. Even though I'm using my hands to shape the gel, I clean my hands afterwards with alcohol. So if you don't, clean your hands, then yes, you can get contact dermatitis. It is very important to clean your hands if you're working with gel using your hands. And for the fleece design, I'm using a toothpick. I'm just poking and twisting very lightly. And yes, I cured my nails after every step to ensure that I don't ruin, the design. On the stocking, I wanted to add extra Christmassy character. So I went in with the white snowflakes. To make snowflakes, I'm using dotting tool with the smallest tip. Since 3D art is small, it makes sense to use the smallest tip I had. Also, I feel like I have gotten to a point on this YouTube channel where I have made so many tutorials and I feel like it's getting a little bit repetitive. So I thought I'll instead make a video where it is only design focused. And I would also like to mention that I've applied a thin layer of canny peel off base coat before going in with the GelX application. So if you want your nails to last over a month or at least 4 weeks, that make sure that you go in with proper nail care and use Extend Gel or a gel nail glue. I recommend the Bald Bee nail glue if you guys are just getting into GelX or you don't want to over invest, then that's a really good gel nail glue to use. The retention is also very amazing. I've been using this nail glue for quite some time now. And the reason that I use peel off base coat is because I do my nails every 3 days, for the content. And I really don't want to go through the hassle of doing a full soak off every time or, peel them off, just pulling them off and damaging my natural nail. So I use this peel off base coat to save a lot of time and make it healthy, quick removal. I moved ahead with the middle finger. I had not decided yet what I wanted to do on the ring finger. So for the middle finger, I knew that I wanted, a 3D bow. So I thought middle finger would be the perfect one. And so I made bow using the sculpting gel and I used the silicone tool. So the silicone tool that I got it from Amazon literally, and it's actually a set of 5, and you basically get actually 10. How? They are double ended, so you have 5. It's a set of 5, but you actually get 10 different shapes of silicone tool, and it's not that too expensive either. So if you need, you can check the link down below. And for this design, along with the 3D bow, I also wanted a silver ball beneath the bow. So for the bow, what I did was I took red sculpting gel, and using the silicone tool, I flattened it up and I then pulled both the ends together and scrunched it a little bit and made a bow. So it was quite easy. I struggled a bit in the beginning, but later I got a hang of it, how I need to do it, and it actually was quite easy. So yeah, and for the silver bow, I used clear clear sculpting gel, which is, by the way, one of my favorites, which is currently out of stock. And the one that I own is, I just have a little bit left, and I'm quite sad that it's going to be, almost finished, and I'll actually have to look up some alternative now. So before I went in with the silver ball art, what I did was I put both the bows, like made this bow, and I cured it in my lamp for 60 seconds, and then I went in with the clear sculpting gel, made a ball sufficient, like big enough the way I wanted. I just put it on my finger to check the size of it and added a little bit more because it was quite smaller than what I wanted. And then I ended up putting it into the chrome container until the ball was, was fully coated with the silver chrome, and I just rubbed the chrome in using my fingers once again, and then I put it on my finger the way I wanted it, and I cured it in the UV lamp for another 60 seconds. And yes, I cleaned my hands afterwards because I got chrome all over my hands. For the golden stripes, I'm using a gold polish, and the design actually, the stripes that I drew was not exactly what I had thought I wanted it to look like. It was not exactly how I wanted it to be, but anyways, the end result was good, so I was satisfied with how the middle finger turned out. And I mean, no regrets. Now, the this index finger has to be one of my favorites from this entire nail design. When I decided to do 3D Christmas nails, I was so sure I had to make a snowman. And this one turned out to be so cute. And this purple scarf and the hat that I made with using this purple sculpting gel was, oh my god, it was chef's kiss. This color actually gave, like, that pop to the snowman, to this entire figure, and it looked so cute. Once I added the eyes, the nose, and that little bit of the smile, it was looking so cute. Now for the hat, the we have the hat, and then there's the small ball, fleece ball. Again, I used the toothpick to make give that fleecy effect. Also, I actually forgot to hit record when I was doing my ring finger. I'll just mention that for the ring finger, I actually ended up making a Christmas tree with some, chrome ornaments again, and I followed the same technique I did for the middle finger. You guys probably know a lot of products that I mention and talk about. I'm sure there are a lot of beginners on here as well, and that's why I make videos like these constantly for you guys to break it down and make it easier for you to understand what I'm doing. I know I'm no nail tech. I mean, I do have experience and I have been doing my nails for quite some time now, but I'm still learning. But for those who have been my subscribers or who just subscribed, let me know your thoughts. What kind of videos do you guys want to see? Do you want more ASMR focused videos where I just shut up and let you guys hear all the sounds? And do you want story times? Like, I want to get into different topics and talk about different things as well. So, do let me know in the comments down below. finger nail art was actually quite a disaster. I thought of making a reindeer head. What I made looked more like a teddy bear, which did not even look cute. So I decided to switch things up, and I ended up making the nail art with like a Christmas cap. So just like I did with the smallest finger, I wanted to match the same vibes on the thumb as well. So I made the Christmas cap using the same red sculpting gel, and for the uh, fleecy effect I used the white sculpting gel and used the toothpick method again. And to make it more cuter, I added snowflakes to finish off the cap design. And make sure that you moisturize at the end. It's winter time, so your nails are super dehydrated. They need some love. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you guys think in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.